Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our Canva Master classes. In today's sport lecture, I will show you how to create a Canva account from scratch, signing up using different methods. Log into your account, connect your Google account and set up the basic account setting. If you are a complete beginner and you never used Canva before, this lecture is very important for you because everything starts with creating your account. So let's get started. Step number 1. Open Canva. First, open your browser, that browser you use, like I use Google Chrome. If you use Microsoft Edge or any other browser you prefer, open it and search Canva. Type Canva and press enter. Or directly here, or you can also directly visit a site like canvawood.com. You can directly move to the site. This is Canva. Okay. Now, after typing, click on this and you also move to Canva. This is the tutorial for laptop users. Inshallah, after this post, I will also make the course of Canva which will for mobile users. Okay? Now, once homepage open, you are ready to create an account. So, step number 2. Remember, step number 2, create an account. Canva account. This is Canva homepage. Click on signing up. Okay? To get started, Canva will give you several signing up options like this is here. Canva is showing me to continue or continue with another account. If I press continue with another account, Canva is showing me continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with email, or for Apple it will, or continue another way. And for Apple it will show continue with Apple, continue with Microsoft, or continue with work email. I will highly recommend, most easiest method, that is continue with Google. It also makes logging easy in future. So step number 3, signing up with Google account. So click on continue with Google. A list of your Google accounts will show here. If your Google account is already signed in, please then press enter. Okay, you may also ask to allow Canva to access basic information from your Google account, like I press Canva, or I can use another account if you account is not signing. Now, allow continue. So that's it. Your account will be created automatically. You don't need to create a separate password because your Google account will be used for signing in. Next, this is for the users which want to use Canva with Google account. Now I will tell you how to log in Canva. Okay? Now open another browser. Same, search Canva. I will search.com. So directly I will visit. Now, click on login. And continue. Firstly, we have sign up, then we have login. Sign up means if you already have account in your Canva, so you can sign up. If you never use Canva, so you need to log in. Okay. Here also select with continue with Google. Okay. And I will select this account and you can choose your account. Always use the same method to log in and create account. Never change your method. Step number 5. Complete your profile. After login in Canva, Canva may ask you to complete your profile. Okay? If not, so you will click on profiles and click on, I think I have clicked wrong. Click on profile and click on your account. This is your account of Canva. You can change, like if you want to change your photo or remove photo. So you can change Basically, this photo will be removed from your Canva account, not from your Google account. So I will remove. Also, I will use Canva without photo. Okay. The name is Dawn of Knowledge is perfect name. Email address dawnofknowledge4@gmail.com is good because I have created my account by the help of Gmail. What will you using small business, personal, non-profit? If you're using Canva for as a student, so select student. If you're using Canva as a teacher, select teacher. If you are using Canva for a large company, select large company, no profit or no charity. If you are using protect. So we are using, because basically we are learning Canva for our personal use. So we will select personal and language will be English, because Canva language is mostly in English. If you want to distract your account, so you can also distract account, but I will never distract my account. Open design in new tab. If you want, you open design in new tab, so you can click on open design in new tab. Open link in desktop. Canva link may open in desktop instead of no. If that's why I have turn off use option. Video editing. Use multimedia track for video editing. Yes, I have. Now, some more setting. If you wanted to create a password, you can also create a passport or pascal key by using your finger and locking. Like I want to use your pascal key, okay, by pressing this, 38, and here you can create a pin, but I not need, okay. If you wanted to give a Canva recovery mail, so you can add a recovery mail in case your account has been suspended or not working, so you can send code to your recovery mail and log in your account of Canva. Like sign out all devices. You can click sign out from all devices. Okay. Now, if you wanted to delete your account, so you can test that. May some more setting team. We will select dark theme because dark theme, I think it should be a best. Now, a shortcut required, no caption, no other setting is good. Now, message preference, all setting this, okay. Privacy controls, these all settings are good. Okay, data storage, Canva don't need any large amount of data. Okay, your team. We also create a team. Okay, AI personalization. No good. And your app. Like, so we have finally set up our Canva account. For last lecture, we know the difference between Canva Pro and Canva UI. But think that I have logged in with Canva Free. Okay, because we will start this course with by using Canva Free, not paid, because so I will tell you this Canva easily for beginners. Okay. So today's assignment is create your account and send me a screenshot on my Instagram. So I will check who has completed your assignment. Okay, I hope so you will send me your assignment timely before watching the next lecture. Congratulations, your account has successfully learned. You have successfully learned that how to create a Canva account, signing up using Google and login and completed basic account set. These all the setting we have done is basic. In our next lecture, we will explore Canva dashboards and learn what every button and section does. So we will feel confident about this platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next lecture. If you have any question related to this lecture or previous lecture, ask me in comment section. I will reply you. Allah Hafiz.